యద్భావం తద్భవతే.
మనం
వాట్ యు ఆర్ గోయింగ్
ఏమనుకుంటే
టు,
అదే.
మనం ఏదనుకుంటే అదే జరిగింది. వాట్ యు ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు థింక్, వాట్ యు ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు ఫీల్, ద సేమ్ థింగ్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు బి హ్యాపెన్. ఇట్స్ a practically proved thing, man. So from Puranas, from Vedas, so this concept is there. Yad bhavam tad bhavate. It's not my word. It's not my word. So in what way you are going to think, same thing is going to be happen. Have you remembered one small secret formula I told? Your thoughts will be converted into, your
Words.
thoughts will be converted into words.
Words.
Words will be converted into
Actions.
actions. Actions will be converted into your habits. Habits build your character. Your character decides your destiny. Okay? Thoughts, words, actions, character, actions, habits, character, and your destiny. If your thoughts, if you think big, your position will be at bigger position. You will be at the top position. If you think small, then your position will be small. 100% pakka perfect formula, man. Remember that. Always think big. The magic of thinking big you have to identify. Always think big. But the problem here is, from our childhood onwards, our parents, society, our elders, they tuned us, they limit our growth with their words. How many times you heard from your parents, how many times you heard from your elders, అరే బాగా చదువుకో, నువ్వు బాగా చదువుకుంటే మంచి మార్కులు వస్తాయి, నెక్స్ట్ బాగా చదువుకుంటే మంచి జాబ్ వచ్చింది, మంచి జాబ్ వస్తే మంచి బెల్లం దొరికింది, లైఫ్ సెటిల్ అయిపోతుంది. How many times you heard about this type of statements, man? You require to study well. If you study well, you will get good marks. Next, if you got good marks, you will get job. You will get beautiful wife. Your life is going to be settled. How many times we heard about this one? Have you heard about at least one time in your life? From your parents, from your grandparents, from your elders, from the society, you heard. Even very unfortunate, you are telling the same thing for your kids also. From childhood onwards, you are tuned them. Array, your limit is an employee. You will be an employee.